Are you in the market for a used RV? Well, look no further than Pine Acres RV because we have a quality selection of used inventory. Here behind me, I have a 2018 Keystone Sprinter on the model number 319MKS. This is a beautiful couples unit. Come on inside, guys. Check her out for yourselves. Just inside this Sprinter right there is how you control your unit. You got a nice little storage hatch down here. Maybe pop your shoes or even your pots and pans. And then up here, a little bit more storage. Great for if you want to grab a cup and head outside or something. Solid surface countertops throughout, which is really cool. And check out the space all around this table. Lovely. Couch here does pull out to a bed, which is really nice. And then back here we have two chairs. Have been replaced, as you can see, but they look really nice, guys. There's some storage up top and actually some little end tables on either side that you can put your drinks or set anything down. Right over here is your entertainment area. TV does come with it, soundbar down below, and a fireplace to keep you warm on those chilly nights. And then just beside that, we have our Dometic refrigerator. Gas and electric, which is cool. Over here into the kitchen area, there's actually counter space here beside the stove, which I love to see because then it makes it easy for cooking, setting down your spatulas and stuff like that. Range hood, microwave, and of course your drawers there. And then there's some more storage or counter space over here with some storage up above. And then check this out. You need prep space, not a problem. Nice big sink there to wash your dishes up. All right, guys, let's check out the rest of it. Just up here, we have our bathroom. And come in here. There's tons of space around this toilet. Beautiful shower. Take this off here. Look at the space in that puppy. Close those up. And then just beside it, vanity, medicine cabinet with some extra storage down below. And you could probably make a TP there, triangle. Yeah, we're not going to. Now come on over into the bedroom. Don't worry, there will be a mattress here, guys. We do have storage up underneath, so that's great. Put your extra blankets and all that stuff. Little end tables on either side with some storage up above. And check out this closet. You could actually probably put like a playpen mat down there and sleep a kid in there. No, just playing. Little dresser here. Obviously, put a nice TV on stand right here in front of the window, or you can mount it up top. And then all kinds of more space in here for storage and extra goodies, guys. Folks, if you're looking for premium used units, quality, come on down. Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke has you covered always. Check us out, and don't forget to keep an eye on the website at pineacresrv.com.